his wife opened it and it went all over her face. She was wearing glasses, thankfully. They went everywhere, man, and they had to like repaint the ceiling. So my name's Lee.
And I'm Tom.
And I'm gonna cook a dish that's very close to my heart. This is the lamb waffle flatbread that's pretty much been on the menu since day one.
Mate, I'm excited for this. I've heard everyone rave about it.
I never get sick of this dish. I never get sick of eating it. I never get sick of cooking it. I love going to Turkish Mangals. I love eating lahmacun. And what I started to do is I would order one of those and an Adana kebab, and I would make my own super fueled kebab.
Epic.
I wanted to recreate something like that at Black Axe Mangal.
Mate, let's do it. So again, this dough ball's like right out the fridge.
Yeah, straight out the fridge. Or yeah, check out the dough recipe we did in the previous video. Lots of flour. Don't be afraid of the flour because you can brush it off.
Yeah, it's like it's a proper wet dough.
Very wet. If it hits anything that hasn't got flour on it,
I'll touch it.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh mate, that feels beaut, man.
It's not as robust as a pizza dough. If you try and pat it out too quick, it will rent. You'll get little.
So you're literally using the gravity of the dough is opening it, aren't you? You're not aggressive.
It's the Aikido method.
The what method?
The Aikido method. You use the bread's energy against itself to open it up. Straight onto there.
Right there?
Yeah.
So what is in your waffle mix? I know you said the meat's in there, but have you put anything else in it?
It's a mixture of lamb's liver, lamb's heart, lamb's fat, a tiny bit of mince to sort of bind it. And we put lamb's balls in it as well, like lamb's testicles. Unfortunately,
how do your customers feel about that?
The butchers didn't have any testicles, so there
no balls in there.
No balls in here, mate. Unfortunately. Bakken Spice, which is star anise, cumin, fennel, coriander, little bit of caraway, black pepper as well.
Yeah.
And then there's a thing called biber paste in here, which is Turkish peppers, puree. You can get sweet and you can get spicy, and this is the sweet.
Yeah, I mean, that's so nice to spread, isn't it?
Just don't push too hard because you'll get it stuck to the peel. Okay, so that's kind of...
Right, you're gonna crank it.
Epic. Do people still say epic?
Yeah, epic.
I think. Well, I can't keep up. Slap?
Slap?
Yeah.
Slaps, what does that mean?
I mean, I think it means
what does it mean?
Pog.
Pog?
It's pog.
It's poggers. Mate.
This is
that dough, man, looks banging.
This is going to be sick.
Oh, mate.
Have you seen Wayne's World?
Yeah.
Look at that. when he goes to the guitar shop and...
Oh my God.
This is like the white guitar in Wayne's World.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you want to hold it in a certain way for the camera?
But yeah, smell that.
Mate.
Looks good. Gonna put a few sumac onions on it. The garnish is drag, so...
Yeah.
I've cut it before I've topped it.
Yeah, load up a slice of chilli.
You like a bit of chilli, like it spicy.
Yeah. Is that got anything in it, or is it just standard
it's
yogurt?
Just straight natural yogurt. And then a flourish of roughly chopped parsley. It's as good as it gets from Black Axe Mangal. That's the one thing I'm like never bored, tired, or unhappy with.
Mate, it's like got this like, real nice, soft, like delicate chew to it, isn't it? But it's just so light. Cheers,
I'm going straight in.
Mate.
I think people look a bit weird when they go, oh my God, that's so amazing, when they've just cooked something. I am going to say that it's amazing.
It's amazing, mate. Mate, that's world class.
So that was a lamb waffle flatbread. For the recipe, go to gozney.com.
And thanks, Lee, for feeding me that. It's unbelievable.
Yes, Bronson.
Come on, Brom.
He's got a deep growl, hasn't he?
Yeah, he is. Wolf, mate. Laura, let him in.